kids cartoon just like Peppa Pig, George, Blue, Blaze, and many more.
Okay. And then what happened?
But this time, days passed.
Okay.
Tong was growing up to be a big kid now.
Okay. He's a big boy now. Big kid now.
And he don't want to watch a little baby cartoon anymore.
No, it's too young for him.
He thinks it's too young for him.
Yes, I think so.
He's growing up now. He's not supposed to watch a baby cartoon.
Yes.
He's supposed to watch a growing up cartoon.
Yes. I think so.
So instead he's gonna watch
Nick Junior Company.
Watch a Nick Junior Company. It's only made for little kids.
Okay.
But this time, instead he's going to come back and watch Nick Junior again. But this time, he's changing to watch Nickelodeon instead of Nick Junior.
What character in the Nickelodeon?
Nickelodeon is the same names as Nick Junior.
Oh.
It's the same, but in a bigger way than Nick Junior.
Higher level for big kids. Yeah.
It's the highest level than a smaller kid.
Okay,
Smaller
I think so.
kids only this way.
Okay.
But the big kids only this way.
Okay, I see.
แล้วในภาษาไทยบอกว่ายังไงอะ